तो हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज नीरज कुमार, वन ऑफ द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फ्रॉम बरी इंग्लिश एकेडमी। और आज हम करने वाले हैं ग्रुप डिस्कशन, जो टॉपिक है एजुकेशन शुड बी प्राइवेटाइज्ड और नॉट। चलिए जानते हैं कि ये स्टूडेंट्स क्या सोचते हैं इस टॉपिक के बारे में। एंड वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद उदेश।
So hello friends, I am Udesh. Today we have a topic to discussion that education should be privatized or not. My side is education should be privatized because in private sectors we have much facilities to get educations. Like if we talk about education have two sectors. First is government and second is private. In government sector we don't have that much facilities to get good education. In government school, there are teachers are not educative and what we say on time period. They will come in a late in a classes. And in private sectors, teachers are get salary to take attention on child, to give some attention to a child that she will be nervous in a class or not, she will doing good or not.
So hi guys, my name is Sneha and I'm in the favor of the education is not privatized because as we've seen so many poor people who are not very rich and don't have money to go in a private sector. So government school are good for them and government education is also good. Like we all are studying from government school and we used to study from government school. And you are saying that the government teachers are not good, but they are highly qualified. If you are going in a government sector, so you should give the exam and you should crack those kind of exams. And if you are highly qualified, then you should be a government teacher. So if you are saying that the government teachers are not highly qualified, but it is very qualified.
Hello everyone, my name is Saroj. I would like to continue this same thing. All schools and colleges are not should be privatized because they have fixed prices of books, notebooks also. In fact, in stationery also, and they take extra charges of all things like annual exam, activities also, and people who comes in a poverty line, they are not able to purchase all the things.
Hi guys, my name is Saksham and I think education should be privatized because as you can see, there are so many government schools, there are so many children in government school. Like in one class there is a 60 to 70 students or sometimes 80 students, but in private school there are so many sections, so in which there are 30 students, sometimes 40 students. Because of this teacher have to give time to each and every student, and it can give proper attention to every students.
So hi everyone, my name is Tanvir Singh and today we have a topic about education should be privatized or not. So I want to speak education should be not privatized. The reason of why I'm saying are that, so because the education is same, but this is a different private or government, and government policies have a same qualities, same qualification, and teachers have a also same qualification about education. So why we are saying like that education should be privatized?
So hey guys, my name is Yash Thapa and I will talk about the education should be privatized. And now you can see in government colleges and schools, they are not teaching English properly. If there is an English subject, even though they are not teaching English properly, in private sector you can see teachers are also speaking in English. Nowadays you can see English is the main part of in our life. If in every sector and every field you have to speak English, but in government school and colleges people are not speaking English. That is the main effect in our life. As I want to also say that in private sector you can learn things easier because there are many things to learn, and it is very easy to grab things in private sectors.
Government should not privatize the education because in government the government school are very well in education. Government provide midday meal for the student, and government also provide well education for children, and government also provide the free education for the children's, and the poor children which are not able to buy food for their life, the government also give their food, and also give free education for poor children. And also there in government school there are lots of sports, and the poor people which have not money to go in any academy, so there are lots of school which government school they are providing academies for the poor children, and the government is helping for the poor children for improving their self and become a best person for our India.
So like I say in first, like education should be privatized because of their features and facilities. If we talk about private sectors and private schools, there are ACs and fans in a classes, but in a government sector, in a government school, there are no, because of there are facilities. Government paid money for their education to provide good education. But what about the teachers and principals who eat money for their own? They are not able to provide some good educations. Like if we take government school, private sectors, one features that is a canteen area. Their schools are give food to a student, a child who are not bring their lunch box from home. That is good for us. That if you are able to eat some if you have a craving to eat fast foods, you can go to a canteen. You will eat. But in a government school, there was a midday meal. What was the benefit of that? If we talk about a government school, there are no CCTV cameras in our schools. Students doing bunk of their classes. They will not sincere for their studies, and it is not good. In a private sectors, teachers are always strict to student to do good in a study. Okay.
Most of us, we all are saying that private schools are good, and private schools are also good, and others are saying government school also are good. But if we are aware to see that difference between private schools and government schools, if we see the teachers in private school, they are not qualified as a government teacher. They have qualified teachers, then they have capability to join a job as a teacher in a government sector. But in a private school, they are not qualified the exam of teaching degree. So now you are able to see the difference between private teacher and government teachers. And second thing that most of people of India really want to say that education should be privatized. So government should be make some policies that private schools should be decrease some prices of like annual charges, activity, stationery fees, like that. In fact, then we all are able to go there to take admission of our children also.
As she stated that government school teachers are more qualified than the private school teachers, but in reality, government school teacher is more qualified than the private school teacher. But what are they doing? They are going to school, they are taking leave, they do not teach the childrens, and they do not focus on childrens. But on the other hand, in the private school, every teacher has to focus on each and every student, and if they don't do that focus, so their salary may be cut. But in the government school, they get full-fledged salaries, and because of this, they cannot focus on everything.
Like we are talking about schools, but the college-going school students prefer government school instead of private schools. Why? Because of the private college higher fees, and like DU, they provide good facilities in a cheap fees, and when we talk about government colleges, they have a high qualified students, and they are good.
So guys, I also study in a private sector. I also study in a private sector. It doesn't mean I will support it. So as you can see in government school, teachers are not take caring of the students. The students are coming or not, they don't care. But in private sector, teacher have to take care of every single child, what they are doing and not they doing, because they have to give the report to the parents. As you can see in private sectors, there are many curriculum activities to learn like swimming, karate, taekwondo, etc., where a student can learn different things. In government sector, except studying, there are nothing. In games period, they are doing anything, throwing garbage here and there, and broken their class, as well as. What do you think, guys? Education should privatize or not? Do comment.